can be only one or two things that cause this. Right now I know what it is. It's actually this mechanism right here. But the spring is in here, along with that black little cap. Goes down in here. I'll show you in a second. Got that bolt. Remove this. So make sure you watch the way this comes out, because whichever way it comes out, it has to go back in the same way. There's a spring down in there. Kind of hard to see with a rubber grommet on top of it. A lot of times that grommet will go bad and then it'll cause it to leak, but this time it's this thing. Now put this back on, tighten it back down. Turn back on the water, slide this back over the top. Now normally when you do this, you'll replace this spring and this rubber grommet too. How that works is the spring goes down inside up under this. You'll see like a little divot this slides right into, and then this goes right on top of the spring like that. This will sit right on top of it when you push it in. So you always want to replace these, but the thing is I already bought this and replaced it and it didn't fix the problem, so I knew it was this. Mainly we've been tightening it. We've been basically crunching down on it, tightening it really tight. I think this is just worn out. So whenever you got to replace these, take this to the shop with you, like Lowe's or whatever, because you want to make sure you get the right one. There's several different versions. But that's it. Replaced, fixed, we're good. Take it easy. Peace.